Hello, I'm Bear the Sealer. Today, let's find out more about the DD15 fuel filter housing, a key part of keeping your diesel clean and powerful. The fuel filter housing holds the filter element securely and channels fuel through it. And the filter will remove dirt, debris, and moisture before the fuel reaches the engine, protecting components and ensuring smooth, efficient combustion. Now, let's talk about something many people forget: the fuel filter housing itself. Over time, this housing can develop issues that affect the whole fuel system. Here are the most common problems and how to fix them. Problem 1. Worn seals or gaskets failure. Over time, seals or gaskets can wear out. That leads to fuel leaks and safety hazards. So, you should replace gaskets at every filter change and torque bolts to specification. You can also look for quality OE fit gaskets, like the ones from Bear the Sealer, which are designed to handle diesel, pressure, and heat. Problem 2. Cracks or corrosion. Road debris and corrosion can crack the housing, causing leaks and poor performance. To prevent this, inspect and clean it regularly and replace any cracked or rusty housing. Problem 3. Clogging stress. The housing itself doesn't clog, but a clogged filter can build pressure and stress it. Remember to change the filter on schedule to prevent damage. So, how often should you change the fuel filter? The DD15 fuel filter change interval is recommended every 35,000 to 75,000 miles. So check your engine regularly to be sure. Problem 4. Water separator failure. If the water separator fails, water can enter the engine and affect the fuel filter. Therefore, drain it regularly and replace it when damaged. Problem 5. Outdated or internal wear over time. Older housings can become weak and crack or leak. Also, daily heat and vibration slowly wear them down. Therefore, track service hours and upgrade before they fail. So, that's how the DD15 fuel filter housing works, and all the key things you should know about it. Which part did you find most useful? Or is there something else you want to learn about? Tell us in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Bear the Sealer, protect your engine, prevent leaks, because your engine deserves the best, and we're here to deliver it.